This is one of my new clients who came in off of the waitlist, and she wanted to remove the black box color. The first thing I did, of course, was a test strand. As you can see, when I removed the lightener, it definitely did lighten, but it has a lot of bands going through it. We decided based off the test strand that the best decision today would to just be remove all of the box color as much as we can and give it a nice natural brown color. We eventually wanted to get to a nice natural looking balayage, so this was a perfect first step. She also has about 70% gray roots, so it's really important for me not to get any lightener on the roots because it will lift to white while the rest of the hair will be nowhere near white today. We were honestly really happy to get any lift considering how dark we started. The raw lift is obviously pretty scary to see, but since we were going for a chocolate brown, which was going to be darker than any color that lifted in her hair, we knew that it would cover and be beautiful. It's important not to over-process when you're doing a process like this because you're going to need to lighten it several times to get to the goals. We were so in love with the results. Her hair was so healthy still, so shiny, and the color looked so beautiful and dimensional. I can't wait to show you guys part 2.